Hi everyone, how's everyone doing? It's so nice to be here. Thank you for having me. My name is Angela del Sol Varela, and I'm here to talk to you about a very special project. So I think all of us here can share the same sentiment and feeling of seeing something really, really far away that we can almost touch it, feel it, smell it, but we can't quite reach it yet. And that's why we're all here, because we believe in a future that many people haven't seen yet. Yet we're here, building, connecting, pitching, partying. And we're doing it because we know that there's something there that we want to share to the world. And my journey, like your journey, started with just a seed, with an idea. An idea of creating something that will last, something that will be for the future generations. How do I make the slides go? Just want to make sure. Anyway, I'll just continue. So, as I'm saying, everything started with a seed. Last year, my friends and I went on tour around the United States to advocate for unity, because we have been connecting in this space of black and white, blue and red, and this is the time to come together and start thinking of the future. So I'm here to share with you this idea that I had. Thank you so much. To connect with this idea of an emergent future that all of us need to get on board today. And for that, we need conviction, and we need a lot of strength. Because the truth is that we are living in a climate emergency. And as much as we are in this beautiful, brilliant bubble of intelligence, talent, beauty, privilege, the outside world need all of us, with all of this talent and with all of these resources, to pave the way for future generations. Because we have an infinite potential to create something very special together. And that's something that will require a lot of guts, inner strength, perseverance, and tenacity. And that's what Sisu is. Sisu is an ancient concept that we're bringing back. It's a concept of inner strength. It's a concept of being able to walk in a hallway that's completely dark and see that light at the end of the tunnel. And I think all of us in this room here can share that feeling, because we're all building in a space where there are no roads. We're building those roads. So, Sisu is a feeling. It's the idea of having this gentle courage at the end of the known. For too long, we've been operating as individuals, and we've been operating as islands. Right now, it's very important for all of us to come together and share our resources, share what we know, in order to transition into the new earth that is so palpable, that is here right now. And that's what Sisu is. With Sisu, we are growing seeds into the known. We want to support all of the groundbreaking climate solutions in the world, from agroforestry projects with ancient communities to oyster farms that are sequestering carbon. We want to be the community that is supporting those projects. Because the truth is that we've been competing for resources. And this competition, when we're in a space of so much abundance, does not make sense. And that's why all of us here can do something about it. And that's what Sisu is. And with Sisu, we are a community that's focusing on catalyzing earth restoration opportunities. By restoration, I mean conservation. I'm speaking about all of the projects that are impactful, tangible, and that we can measure. But the most important of all of these projects is the human component. Because I'm sure you've heard many times, when you swipe your card here, we will plant a tree there. But how many of you have you actually followed through and see where, how these trees have been planted. I just came back from my home country, Colombia, where we planted 700 trees out of 10,000 trees with my dear friends of Jaguar Siembra. And it's a process that takes a long time, and it's quite hard. So I share this with you so we can be more critical about impact, because our future is critical, and so should be the solutions. It's not something that we can ignore. And that's what our community, Sisu, is all about. We are a community of ancient futurists. We accept and have gratitude for the path that our ancestors have paved for us. I like to think that our ancestors wanted us to do more than take selfies and buy Rolex and Lamborghinis, especially in a time that we are required to bring forth the energy and the courage that our ancestors had for us to be here today. And that's what Sisu. In other words, it's hope when shit hits the fan. Because the truth is that we are ahead of some really uncertain times. It's so refreshing to be here together after 2 years in isolation. Let us not forget what we just experienced, especially here in New York City. Let us not forget that, because we tend to forget. Our memory just disappears. So what we're creating with Sisu is a safety net. Not if, but when shit hits the fan, because we are not moving fast enough when it comes to climate. Right now, we have all of our leaders at COP26 discussing solutions, communities that are fighting for resources to be able to be on the ground, on the battleground, for us to be here. So let's create something that we can get behind, because the one thing that is not fungible is nature. And right now, we have 33% biodiversity left in our Earth. I'm going to say that again, 33% biodiversity. And guess what? Our wallets, our internet, none of the things that we use right now will matter when we don't have clean air, when we don't have fresh water. I'm very inspired by moments where I've been in climate spaces where islands have been completely destroyed, like Puerto Rico, or Crypto Rico, how it's now called. It was completely destroyed after the hurricane. And I went there to bring solar powers, and I found elders completely abandoned. I found mansions that were abandoned. There was no gasoline, there was no ATMs, everything was destroyed. And guess what? I went 3 months later. The trees were growing back again, maybe a little crooked, but they were growing back. Our human resilience will be tested. And this is where all of us here in the Web3 and DeFi world can do something about it. Because right now, we are building the future of our society. And with all of this privilege comes great responsibility. Because again, nature is non-fungible, and we have to do something about it. I'm very inspired by my 4-year-old niece. I'm very inspired at the thought of a child growing in a world that will be able to breathe well. And the idea of legacy is right here, right now. So thank you so much for having me. I hope that we can all work together. And if you want to get into our first NFT drop that we're launching, please check us out at sisu.xyz. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Can we get a big round of applause? My God. Thank you so much. That was unbelievable. Thank you.